Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Stitches. This is my first video and I can't wait to share with you how to make this adorable and easy earring. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Let's get started. Thank you all for subscribing. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of this. Materials needed. To begin, so you cut your thread and fix in the needle. But to start, we pick 12 beads. Okay, so you pick 12 beads and then you tie. Please, you can tie it as much as you want, okay, but not too not too thick, but you can tie it so it won't untie like sunny if any. Then you pass it through 3 or 2 beads and pull it out. To start with the first section, we need 3 beads, so we pick 3 beads and pass it backwards into the first bead where the thread is out from. Then we repeat the same process and take 3 beads again and pass it through the second bead. So you count 1, 2, the second one, then you pass it through and repeat the same process for the others, for the rest. But with the last one, you pass it through the second one, so it comes out for the next section, so we can start the next section. Yes. Now with the second part, we pick 5 beads, then we pass it through the second bead, 1, 2, the second bead. Then repeat the same process and pass it through the second bead again. So you repeat the same process for the remaining ones, for the rest. But when you get to the last part and you pick 5 beads, you pass it through the third bead, 1, 2, 3, the third bead, so the thread can come out for the next section, the next part. So this part we pick 7 beads, then we pass it through the third bead on top, then repeat the same process and pass it through the third beads again. So with this one, we are dealing with odd numbers. The first time we went for 3 and then 5 and now 7, so the last part will be 9. The last part will be 9, but before you end, you have to pass it through 4 beads. The last part, you have to pass it to 4 beads, so it will be out for the second section. So we take 9 beads, then we pass it through the 4th bead, yes. Then we repeat the same process by taking another 9 beads again, then we pass it through the 4th bead of the second side, yes. So you repeat the same process to the last part. So you pick 9 beads, divide it into 2, which will be 5 and 4. Take one side off and fix the hook. Pass it through where the first thread came out from when we were starting the 9 section. Exactly, then we are good to go. So you pass the thread through, but make sure the hook side is firm. Then you cut the excess thread off and voila, here's your beautiful earring. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.